Hello everyone, I'm Riley Rucker from Texas Youth Career Readiness. Today we are reviewing the G3 Plus Remedy Kit medication module from StatPacks. So, like I said, G3 Plus, the G3 Plus series from StatPacks. I have a video on the circulatory kit. Depending on the timing, it might come out before or after this video, as well as a video on the G3 breather. Like I said, either before or after this video, so make sure to go check those out as well. The Remedy Kit is a medication module, and it's designed for, it says paramedics, EMTs, and first responders, so obviously this isn't going to be something for your everyday civilian. However, it can work. I've adapted this to my OTC, or over-the-counter medications. It's supposed to be for easy access and easy organization of medications, syringes, ampules, and small treatment supplies. It has a fold-out layout with quick access. The kit features clear pockets like most of their kits. Some sections are foam lined for protection, lockable zippers. It's ideal for ambulances, rescue teams, disaster operations, those large kits, or even storage in an ambulance. Its retail price is going to be $87, depending on where you get it from, but 87 flat USD is going to be from StatPacks themselves, and it is red color only. I want to state before we move on that I was sent this for free along with 2 other items and some merch that you'll see me wearing from StatPacks, but I'm not endorsed, paid, or sponsored in any way, and I'm not required to say anything positive about them. So, getting into the kit itself, like I said, I adapted this to my over-the-counter medications, so you'll see OTC Med on there. And it does feature clear pockets. You can see on the top it's got clear pockets, and it's got a flat or clear so you can see in, and then on the back it's got a flat clear pocket there. I don't know if you can see it, but it does have lockable zippers if you're carrying any narcotics. You can lock them in there. And then getting into it, it's got on the front, is this the front? Yeah, on the front flap, it's got a flat Velcro sealed clear pocket here. It's got for small ampules here, or small bottles, and then it's got sections for big bottles down here and medium here. So big, medium, and small ampules. In here I have some ibuprofen, Pepto-Bismol, hydrogen peroxide, alcohol, some gloves, all of my different over-the-counter medications. And like I said, you don't have to set it up this way. Obviously, it's meant for EMT grade and paramedic grade medications. All of this is over the counter, and I just threw some stuff in here for the sake of the video. More alcohol and hydrogen peroxide, 2 different syringes I had laying around. And then it does have this is all clear, and it has a Velcro pocket under there as well. Has a button clasp that is a little difficult to undo. And that comes undone to reveal back here that's got some loops. Most of them are pretty small. I have some water and some allergy medications back here. But this would be more for your thin syringes or narcotics back there. Some bigger syringes or vials. You can dose gloves or alcohol wipes in these flat pockets, and then, like I said, your medium, large, and big ampules. All these are clear, so you can see labels. They're quite easy to get stuff in and out, and then it all zips right back up and does have the iconic StatPack Velcro there, so it Velcros into all their packs and has the StatPack patch. So, what is this meant for? It's meant for medication storage in a bigger StatPack kit for professional medical responders. Is it good for what it's designed for? Absolutely. I don't see any problems with it, other than I would like there to be a labeling method for the front. You'll see me talk about that in the other StatPack videos. As you can see, I did put just some tape on there that says OTC meds. You can do that as well. Put some tape and label it for whatever you're having in there. For a civilian, if you're carrying a large kit and you want to carry a large amount of medications, this would be great. However, if you're just carrying like an IFAC or something, or a smaller kit, obviously you don't want to have this just for your medications. But if you're getting into the multi-tiered large kits that you would keep in your car like I am, then this would be something great for medication storage. And like I said, narcotics, EMT grade medications, paramedic grade, over-the-counter medications, it can fit everything. Would I recommend you get it? If you have the money and it fits your mission set, yes. If it doesn't fit your mission set, that's fine. Um, it's not one of those things that you would just want to get to have. It's a mission specific kit. And so if it fits your mission set, go ahead and get it. It's definitely worth the price. Like all the other StatPack kits made of high grade material, YKK zippers, tough handles, pretty much water resistant and easy to clean material, and all around a great kit. Definitely would recommend. Thank you for StatPack for sending this out, as well as some merch. And like I said, I have a video on the circulatory kit and the G3 breather, either coming out before or after this video, so stay tuned for those, and I will see you in the next one.